more perfect stage could not be asked for.
I don't see any instruments.
Your powers of observation continue to serve you well. But wait! It is to Madame Justice that I dedicate this concerto in honor of the holiday she seems to have taken from these parts, and in recognition of the impostor that stands in her stead. Tell me, do you know what day it is, Evie?
November the 4th.
Not anymore. Remember the 5th of November, the gunpowder, treason, and plot. I know of no reason why the gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. First, the overture. Yes, the strings. Listen carefully, can you hear it? Now the brass.
I can hear it. Look outside, Bunny. They're playing music. How did he do that?
Wait! Here comes the crescendo! How beautiful is it not?
Gentlemen, you have had 4 hours. You had better have results. Mr. Creedy.
The Bailey area is quarantined. All significant witnesses have been detained.
Good. Mr. Etheridge.
A recording device was found wired into the central emergency broadcast system. The DCD was Tchaikovsky's 1812 overture.
Add it to the blacklist. I never want to hear that music again.
Yes, sir. We also doubled our random sweeps and are monitoring a lot of phone surveillance, indicating a high percentage